Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Ensure your internet connection is active and stable, then restart both your device and the router to clear transient network issues. Once done, toggle airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds to force network renegotiation. Make sure your device date, time, and time zone are correct because TLS errors often block App Store connections. Also sign out and back into your Apple ID and confirm you have enough storage to download or update apps. Next, focus on deeper network and system causes. Disable VPNs, proxies, or custom DNS entries which can route App Store traffic incorrectly. If that doesn't help, reset network settings to clear corrupted Wi-Fi configs and save certificates. This often fixes persistent failures. Make sure your device software is fully updated because App Store connection uses modern security protocols. If you have configuration profiles, remove or update them, and then reboot to allow the system to re-establish secure connections. Finally, isolate the issue by trying a different network. Use a mobile hotspot or a trusted public Wi-Fi to see if the problem is network-specific. If that reveals the cause, inspect router firewall or ISP level blocking. You can also create a temporary Apple ID to determine whether the problem is account-related. If none of these work, collect logs or screenshots and contact Apple support for deeper diagnostics. Troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, capture the exact error and time. Support uses those to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.